when you ask me what I really want from this car, I just want to go fast, you know, faster than that car. And it's out. Made a little mess, but I'll still clean that up later. My fuel lines are still leaking. That's alright. I'm gonna clean that also. Yeah, buddy. That was a little hard. Got a lot of work ahead of me. Got half of the side done. Harness is sitting right here. Those lines coming out are vacuum lines. I guess it's to the ECU. Then I gotta get this out. See how I'm gonna get that. Alright. Still more stuff to go.
The whole town. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? I say the future is ours! Can you dig it?
Hi everybody, if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you're interested in watching me complete my build. This is for the RB25 DET into my 280ZX. Right now it's currently all wrapped up, but still got a little bit more to go. I didn't do anything as for the fenders, as for painting them, so made sure I got it all covered. I got a couple sections over here I need to actually cut off and weld and patch up. This one right here I have to actually do sometime this week. Other than that, everything else looks great. And I should be ready to actually get the motor in shortly. I'm going to do the bushings for the steering rack, try to align the steering wheel, and make sure the engine fits. I might have to bang this in to actually have the transmission fit. Overall, everything else looks great. Alright, right now we're over here with Blatty. We're doing some welding work. I bought the tool. Finally using it. All right.
It's horrible.
What you mean? It's on there.
Awesome. Telling them I'm gonna have to pass through it again.
Nah, it's on there. And that's fine. That's the one I did. So much rust. It's breaking apart. It's alright though.
Let's do it again real quick.
How did that one come out?
I mean, it's on there, but
It's good.
yeah.
Once I put the filler, it's gonna be good. Now I need the bottom half.
Yeah.
Bottom half is gonna be hard. Alright, so thanks to Bloody for actually doing some work there for me. I also went back to do a little bit more work, layered it up. As for the sections that had holes, and I had fun. This is my first time welding. I just recently bought that Everlast tool, and it's pretty fun. I think I'm gonna be doing a lot more work and getting a lot of things patched up. The floor pan, the frame, a little bit more of the frame, but this is pretty fun. It's my first time doing this as for a restoration on anything. Most of the times I do repairs, but this is pretty cool. So here's a little zoom in on my work that I did. A little proud of this as well. So the next step was actually just to work on the motor again. Get back to that stud that broke in the head when I first got the motor. And I tried a couple of tricks and none of them worked out, so I had to actually use a drill bit, increase in size until I actually get very close to the threads. So looking at this picture right now, you can't really tell how close I got to the threads. I actually damaged the outer three, so I'm going to have to actually redo the threads and add in a Healy coil so you can actually hold on to the new stud. Everything else looks like it's going to be coming out fine. I removed all the other studs and put in new studs for the exhaust manifold. Alright, so I'm going to end it off here with this beautiful picture. Can't wait until it actually gets to this moment. But hit that thumbs up and also like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think and definitely have fun out there. Can't wait to get this car on the road.